Hello everyone, this is Shubham Chaudhary and I welcome you again in the 13th video of our YouTube channel. Today is 13th of January and we are discussing this LeetCode medium problem number 1347, minimum number of steps to make two strings anagram. Here they have given two strings of the same length S and T. In one step you can choose any character of T and replace it with another character. We need to return the minimum number of steps to make T an anagram of S. So what is an anagram? An anagram of a string is a string that contains the same characters with a different or the same ordering. So we need to make this T string to S, and we need to make the count. We need to store the count that how many characters we need to change here. So in the first example, we need to change A to B to make this T string equal to S. So replacing the first A in the T with B, T will be BBA, which is the anagram of S. In the second problem, they have given LeetCode equals to S equals to LeetCode and T equals to practice. So we need to replace P, R, A, then I and C from T with proper characters to make T anagram of S. An anagram is and it is not possible to make the string as equal to LeetCode. We It is not necessary. We can make the characters unordered also. So here anagram and mangar are the anagram and mangar are the anagram of each other because they contain equal characters count. So the approach will be, first of all, S is LeetCode and T is practice. So we will check what is the count of each character in the string. So here L appears 1, E appears for 3 times in this string, T1, and C equals to 1, O equals to 1, and D equals to 1. In the practice, P comes only once, R1, A, and then C equals to 2, T equals to 1, I equals to 1, E equals to 1. So first of all we will calculate how many times a character is appear in the string. After that we will calculate the difference of current character of S. So we will check how many times this L character appeared here in the T string. We will check how many times E character appeared in the T string, the T character in the T string, C character, O and T. So first of all we will check for L. Here L appears with no time, so we will add that into our final count variable, that is 1. Add the difference to the final count variable. So here E appears for 3 times and here E appears for 1 time, so difference will be 2. So we will add 2 to the final count variable. Here T appears for 1 and T appears for 1, so no need to add. Then C appears for 1 and here C appears for 2 times, so C here greater than a string, so we will skip this part. Then O appears for 1 and here O appears for 0 times, so we will add 1 to the final count. Then D, same as for D, we will add this count to our final count variable. So let's code for the solution. Before that, if you are new to the channel, like the video and subscribe for more content. First of all, we will store the size in the int n variable s dot length. Then we will create two unordered maps for storing the count of every character. Map 1 unordered map for second string. After that, we will populate this map using for loop starting from I equals to 0 to I less than n. Further, we will increment this map 1 by passing the first character in S of I, ith character in S, and in map 2, ith character in teeth string, and we will increment their counts. Map checks if there is an element of Si. If there is not if there isn't element in that map, so it makes it at the runtime and increments its count as 1. That's how map work. Then create a count variable. This will be our final count variable. Then for auto x in count map, we will iterate through count map here. First we will get the current element of s string x dot second. Here count map is map 1. And t count. What is the count of current t element? What is the count of current element in teach string? We will get it by map of 2 of x dot first. We will get it by calculating map of second map by passing x dot first key as key. After that we will calculate the difference here. After that, if the difference is greater than 0, then we will add this count to our final count variable. Add this difference to our final count variable, and at last we will return the count variable. So the test cases ran successfully. Here we are calculating this difference. We are calculating how many times we need this L in the T to make anagram of S. For each element we are calculating the difference. So that's why we are using this for loop. Let's check for the hidden test cases. So the code ran successfully. Here the time complexity will be big O of n, where as we are visiting every element in the map 1, and the space complexity will be big O of n as we are using these unordered maps. So that's it. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for upcoming LeetCode problem of the day videos and exciting one-stack web development projects. Happy coding, and let's make this year a fantastic one together. Thank you.